So, a resume is an important tool for your job search because it offers a page or two where you can display your top skills and qualities. So, resume helps employers make hiring decisions and help you get your first interview. That's why it matters how you structure your resume and what information you decide to include. This session will be helping you in writing an awesome and well suited resume. Now, I hand over further session to Prathamesh.
Resume takes an important role in our placement journey. So let's understand how should be the correct format of resume of engineering students. In mechanical engineering, the syllabus covers with higher skill. Students face hard to get hired for entry-level engineering jobs in a field of 2 lakhs new graduate each year in India. So perfect resume pay proper attention to detail to win over your next employer from the first glance. Let's see rules to write. Don't reinvent the wheel. Start with minimalistic resume template to get you to your goal faster. Select the font like Arial, Cambria, or Helvetica. Set, com- Set common in resume border to all the sides. And your resume should be fulfill. The name of your resume PDF must be job title resume. Then the next point is get attention with the resume profile statement. First, you need to develop your professional resume introduction. It is the key feature of your resume. For entry level engineering jobs, you will write a resume objective statement. Your resume should in different format. In the horse and buggy days, that the mean you talked about your personal career goals. Talk about your goal that how it helps the company. Mention you can help the company, but by your additional engineering achievements and skills.
Write a winning engineering student resume education section. So in education, on your resume has a special job to do. It has to fill up extra space you can't fill with work experience. Resume versus CV. Put your current education institution at the top. Skip adding high school to your resume. Include your degree, the name of your institution, graduation date. Break your education section up to add length. You can add sections to it, like relevant coursework or school projects to show how you have used engineering skills. You can also add activities, clubs, groups, and list accomplished in each. Think hard. Think hard. Did you write articles, belongs to clubs, lead teams of students? Add your GPA to your resume. You can list both weighted and unweighted GPAs. Next, fourth, design and expert engineering student resume job description. Got internships, even one engineering internship? Then show it in the relevant experience section. Take a peek first at a employer's job description online. What skills do they need that you have? Start with your most recent internship and then add older ones lower down. Next, customize your resume by showing how you used MATLAB, chemical engineering skills, or help create the budget for a new public works project. List the job title, organization name, the dates you were employed, and 3 to 6 bullet points that show how you made a Edison sized impact. Different resume formats. Start every bullet point with a resume action verb like collaborated or designed. Make every one of your bullet points show something Elon Musk level that you did.
Now let's see how should you showcase your best skills in your resume. As many as 75% of engineering majors don't get jobs in their field. That's terrifying, but you can easily rise above the stat. It works by listing out the engineering skills in the job offer and then proving them out in your bullet points. Write up a master list of your best resume job skills. This will take some time, but it will make your life so much easier later. In your list, put all your hard skills, soft skills, technical skills, computer skills, and anything else an employer could conceivably be interested in. Find the most important skills in the job employer's job description. You can pull from your master list to build your list of resume skills. You should also consider additional sections for your engineering student resume. You don't have to add other sections to your resume, but it can fill space and add skills. Add sections for professional associations you belong to, as well as licenses and certifications that you own. Include volunteer work if you have done some. It proves that you have got the right skills. Also add projects on your resume and foreign languages that you know, like German, French, Japanese, etc. If you're struggling to fill the space, you can even add hobbies section, though it should be your last priority unless it proves your engineering skills somehow.
Write a cover letter for your engineering student resume. Most employers think resumes without cover letters are just job spam. That is, they think you sent a million resumes to different companies and you don't care about this job. Prove them wrong. So, what is a cover letter for? It is to show this entry level engineering job matters more to you than most. You handpicked it and are not just clicking auto apply and hoping for a win. Here is how to write a cover letter. Begin with a modern cover letter template. Don't write Dear Hiring Manager in the cover letter. Go on LinkedIn or call the company to learn the hiring manager's name. Then use it in your letter. Addressing a specific person tells the hiring manager that you have written the cover letter for this specific role in this specific organization. It also shows that you have taken the initiative to learn more about the company. Write a cover letter introduction that hooks them fast to make sure they read every word. To get the necessary points, just ask yourself, why did you apply to this company? What is your motivation to work with them? How can your work experience and the professional skills you possess contribute to the company's needs and requirements? Use the second paragraph to tease the best bits of your engineering student resume. In your cover letter ending, say what you like about their company, then ask for the interview.
So